Hey guys, it's the Creative Lefty. Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, go ahead and click that subscribe button, smash that like button, and let's get on to the video. Hey guys, it's the Creative Lefty, and today I made Sleeveless Magic here today, aka my brother. He's going to be teaching me a cardistry move.
If you don't know what cardistry is, look it up because I'm not going to tell you. Basically, in short, it's just the art of shuffling playing cards in different ways. If you wanna see more about my channel, it's called Sleeveless Magic. She's gonna leave like 50 cards up there about all my different videos, and she's also gonna leave like 5 links in the description just about my channel. But in the meantime, I'm also gonna be teaching you a move. It's a beginner's move. It's called the Charlier cut. It looks like this. Yeah, pretty impressive right there. But
yeah. So let's get on to the tutorial.
All right. So now for the tutorial, I would like to say, in cardistry, you're going to be holding the deck mainly in your non-dominant hand. So for me, that would be left hand. For her, it would be her right hand. And to start this move, you're going to need to get into a special grip. What this is called is a elevated dealer's grip. As you can see, my thumb and middle and ring finger are on the lengthwise parts of the deck, and my index and pinky are on the width side of the deck. Good. And this is going to need to be high above in your fingertips. All right. Okay. So to start the move, you're going to let fall about half of the deck with your thumb. All right. So let me do that slower. Just gonna let about half the deck fall, just like that. Once it's down there, you're going to let it fall into the palm. Your index finger right here is going to come underneath the card like that and start to apply pressure on that card so it starts to move underneath the deck. Alright, so this part is probably the hardest part in the Charlier cut. At your first time, you probably won't be able to clear the deck completely. You're going to be saying, my hands are too small, I can't do this move. But trust me, your hands are not too small. I've seen people with teensy hands doing the Charlier cut. It just takes practice. Let me tell you, I was saying my hands were too small whenever I was learning this move, but trust me, just stick with it. So once you are in this position with the deck, this packet is going to be like locked in with your thumb with this packet, okay? And all you're going to do here is release a bit of pressure with your thumb so that this packet falls down, right? Good job. So now that you're here, all that you need to do is simply just push with your thumb onto the top of the deck. All right. My arm's getting tired because it's been up like this the entire time. But you can also practice this move in your non-dominant hand. I can do it too, but it just takes practice. Let me go over the whole move again just to get a little bit more in depth. Alright, so a first problem that you might have is like letting the packet fall without that happening. Okay, so like all you need to do is just literally boop. Alright, it's just like that. You have to say boop in order for it to work. Boop.
Boop.
Good job. See, look, don't take like 3 cards either. Take like equal amount, half of the deck.
Yeah.
Once you're here, simply push with the bottom, alright? And the first few times you do it, what I found is helpful is you can actually, if you think your hands are too small, you can actually just release with your thumb. And what this does is actually just let the other packet balance kind of on this packet and these 3 fingers. Okay, so it's just like supporting
These 3 fingers. Okay, so it's just like supporting.
it up, and that will help you clear that packet as well. Alright, so the Charlier cut has many different variations, one of which I created. You can go ahead and check that video out here. But yeah, it's one of the most essential cardistry moves you can do. One of the variations could look like that, making a triangle, but I will not teach you that in this video. But I do encourage you to keep pursuing cardistry, and yeah, you'll like it a lot. Trust me, I do. And also watch my magic videos, because that's cool too. Basically, I'm cool all around. It's just who I am.
Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below, and also subscribe to my brother's channel. And go check out his videos. And also, please comment down below if you guys would want me to do more magic videos with him. And also, please share this video with all your friends, and share my channel with all your friends, and share his channel with all your friends. Anyway, that's all for today, and bye!